The first meeting of the new Union Cabinet is expected to be held today. The meeting is likely to take place in the evening. The Election Commission has announced the schedule of by-election to 13 assemblies constituencies of 7 states. After assuming the charge as the Prime Minister for the third time, Modi signed the first file authorizing release of 17th installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has thanked world leaders for their congratulatory message on taking oath as the Prime Minister for the third time. The BJP has appointed Union Ministers Rajnath Singh and Bhupendra Yadav as its central observers to elect the legislature party leader in Odisha.